Hi, I'm Linda Matthews, and in this video I'm sharing a preview of the printable junk journal kit for April that's now available in the Junk Journal Printables Club. This month's kit is titled The Guild of Dreamweavers. This printable junk journal kit features beautiful dream-themed pages, elements, embellishments, and printable clip art. This year in the Junk Journal Printables Club, I'm offering 2 levels of membership. The basic membership is similar to previous years and includes 20 printable pages per month, which is 240 pages for the year. Included with the basic bundle each month is 6 double-sided junk journal pages, 8 papers, and 6 pages of printable clip art and other elements and ephemera. As a bonus this month, I've also included a double-sided dream journal page that you can use to make your own dream journal. This year I've also included an extra membership level called the Big Bundle, and this bundle includes 54 printable pages per month for a total of 648 pages for the year. The Big Bundle is perfect if you love to create big journals filled with beautiful and unique printable pages. Included with the Big Bundle each month is 16 double-sided junk journal pages, 20 papers, and 18 pages of clip art and other elements and ephemera. For this month, this bundle also includes a bonus dream journal page. This year's junk journal kits include a storytelling theme. This month's theme is titled The Guild of the Dreamweavers, and each of the junk journal pages reflects a different aspect of the dream story. You can use the prompts that are included with the kit to weave your own magical story throughout the pages of your journals. To use the pages, print them double-sided onto good quality copy paper or cardstock, fold the pages in half and insert them into your junk journal. The clip art and other elements can be printed onto cardstock. If you're a current member of the Junk Journal Printables Club, I hope you enjoy all the beautiful printables that I've designed for you this month. If you're not yet a member, you can find a link to the Printables Club in the description below this video.